Welcome to TECHCAST by Raqmedia.com, your quick stop for the latest tech news, smart hacks, and cutting-edge updates. Stay informed, stay ahead. Let's dive in.
Welcome back to Raqmedia TechCast. You know, your one daily stop for all the latest tech news and trends.
That's right.
And today,
Unfortunately.
we are going
diving deep
into the world of ChatGPT power users.
Yes.
So you know those folks who have really figured out how to get the most out of this incredible tool.
Mm-hmm.
And we've been digging into AI Master's YouTube video, 30 ChatGPT hacks you need to know in 2025.
Right.
That's right, 2025, become a PRO.
Wow.
And let me tell you, it's packed with insights.
Yeah.
We are going to break it all down.
It is.
So you too can go from ChatGPT novice
Absolutely.
power user
That's right.
in no time.
That's what we want.
So
It's amazing how many people are using ChatGPT,
yeah,
but they're just scratching the surface of its potential.
yeah.
This deep dive will explore some of the lesser-known features and techniques that can truly unlock ChatGPT's power.
I'm excited to jump in. One of the first things that really caught my attention was AI Master's emphasis on breaking down complex prompts
Yes.
into smaller, more manageable steps.
Right.
It seems counterintuitive,
Yeah.
but apparently this is key to getting better results.
It all comes down to how language models like ChatGPT process information.
Okay.
They analyze text sequentially.
Oh.
So bombarding them with a massive, complicated prompt can lead to confusion and inaccurate responses.
I see.
By dividing your request into a series of smaller, focused prompts, you're essentially guiding ChatGPT through the process step by step.
Interesting.
This ensures it understands each element before moving on to the next,
Right.
resulting in a much smoother and more accurate output.
Makes sense. Kind of like giving someone directions.
Yes.
It's much easier to follow a series of clear, concise instructions than one giant rambling explanation.
Exactly. It's about collaborating with the AI, understanding its strengths, and working in a way that maximizes its capabilities.
Okay, now for a tip that truly blew my mind, giving ChatGPT a persona or a role to play. AI Master uses the example of asking ChatGPT to imagine it's a Nobel Prize-winning chemistry teacher explaining ionic bonds to a student.
Okay.
I mean, who wouldn't want a Nobel laureate as their personal tutor?
Right. It's not just a fun gimmick, it actually taps into different communication styles and knowledge domains within ChatGPT.
Oh, wow.
By framing your prompt this way, you're essentially asking ChatGPT to access a specific subset of its vast knowledge base
Okay.
and tailor its response accordingly.
So I could ask ChatGPT to be a Shakespearean playwright, crafting a sonnet about artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Or a stand-up comedian explaining quantum physics.
Precisely. It allows you to get creative with your prompts and explore different ways of presenting information.
Wow.
It can even help you tap into different perspectives and challenge your own assumptions.
Now let's talk organization.
Okay.
AI Master stresses the importance of renaming your chats for easy navigation,
Yes.
especially if you're a frequent ChatGPT user.
Think of it like organizing files on your computer. Would you keep everything labeled Document 1, Document 2, and so on?
Right.
Of course not. Giving your chats descriptive names allows you to quickly locate specific information without having to sift through a sea of generic titles.
Makes sense.
It's all about streamlining your workflow and making ChatGPT work for you.
And there's also the temporary chat feature.
Yes.
For those times when you're working with sensitive information or brainstorming ideas that you might not want to save in your chat history.
It's like incognito mode for ChatGPT, providing an extra layer of privacy and control over your data.
Okay.
You can explore sensitive topics, experiment with different prompts, or just have a free-flowing brainstorming session without worrying about the content being permanently stored.
Now, this next feature is where ChatGPT goes from a helpful tool to a truly personalized assistant. Custom instructions.
Yes. The beauty of custom instructions lies in their ability to tailor ChatGPT's responses to your unique needs and preferences.
Oh.
You have two fields to work with, one for personal context and one for specific instructions.
Right.
It's like giving ChatGPT a detailed briefing before each interaction.
So in the personal context field, I could tell ChatGPT about my background, my writing style, the kind of information I'm usually looking for.
Exactly. This provides ChatGPT with valuable background information, allowing it to understand your context and tailor its responses accordingly.
And in the specific instructions field, I can tell ChatGPT exactly how I want information presented.
Yes.
Like, do I want it in bullet points?
Yeah.
Do I prefer concise responses? Or would I rather have a detailed explanation?
You have a remarkable degree of control over the format and style of ChatGPT's output.
Wow.
It's like having a personal editor or assistant who knows precisely how you like things done.
That's awesome.
And remember, before you get too deep into customization, don't forget to enable all of ChatGPT's capabilities.
All right.
Browsing image generation, the code interpreter.
Yeah.
Don't limit yourself.
So much to explore. Speaking of exploring,
Yeah.
before we dive deeper into the world of ChatGPT power users, we want to remind you to check out Raqmedia.com for more in-depth tech analysis,
Yes.
reviews, and trends.
We're committed to keeping you informed and ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving tech landscape.
We'll be right back with even more ChatGPT power user secrets.
Welcome back to Raqmedia TechCast.
Let's continue our exploration of those ChatGPT power user secrets.
Yes.
One of the most surprising revelations from AI Master's video
Yeah.
was this concept of actively improving your prompting skills.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's easy to think of prompts as just simple instructions.
Yeah.
But as I'm learning, there's a real art to crafting effective prompts that really get the best responses from ChatGPT.
Exactly. And AI Master shared a fantastic tip that completely changed my approach. Ready for this? You can actually ask ChatGPT to improve your prompts.
Wait, really? You can have ChatGPT critique your own prompting style?
Yeah.
That's incredible. I'm picturing myself sending ChatGPT all those rambling prompts I used in the past
Right.
and having it just whip them into shape.
It's like having a built-in prompt coach. You can literally say to ChatGPT, improve this prompt and explain what you changed.
Wow.
It will then analyze your prompt, suggest modifications, and even break down the reasoning behind those changes.
It's fascinating how we can learn from the AI itself,
Yes.
constantly refining our approach through this feedback loop.
This idea of learning from the AI extends beyond text-based prompts.
Right.
AI Master highlights ChatGPT's image analysis feature, which I think many people overlook.
I admit I haven't really explored that image analysis capability.
Yeah.
I tend to think of ChatGPT as primarily a text-based tool.
It's true that text is a core strength of ChatGPT, but its ability to analyze images opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Oh, okay.
Think about it. You can upload an image to ChatGPT and get all sorts of insights.
Okay.
It can identify objects, offer creative suggestions, even analyze the composition of a photograph.
So for example, I could upload a photo of, let's say, ingredients scattered on my kitchen counter.
Yeah.
And ChatGPT could help me come up with recipe ideas.
Absolutely. Or you could upload a YouTube thumbnail and ask ChatGPT for feedback on how to make it more visually appealing.
That's amazing.
The possibilities are endless.
And with the ChatGPT mobile app, we can access all this power on the go. I love the idea of having a conversation with ChatGPT while I'm out for a walk or commuting to work.
I think we'll see more and more people integrating ChatGPT into their daily lives in this way, using voice chat to brainstorm ideas, get information, or simply have a stimulating conversation.
Okay, now for a concept that truly blew my mind, custom GPTs.
Wow.
AI Master describes them as mini ChatGPTs
Okay.
trained for very specific tasks.
Imagine having a team of specialized ChatGPTs,
Oh, wow.
each fine-tuned for a particular area of expertise or workflow.
Okay.
You could have one for writing marketing copy, another for coding in Python, and even one for generating workout routines.
It's taking personalization to a whole new level.
Right.
Instead of relying on one general purpose, ChatGPT, we can create a suite of AI tools tailored to our individual needs and interests.
Well, this is where the real power of AI starts to shine through. Imagine a world where everyone has access to these personalized AI assistants, boosting their productivity and creativity.
It's mind-blowing to think about the potential impact this could have on everything, from education and healthcare to business and entertainment.
Absolutely.
And the best part is, this technology is constantly evolving.
Yes.
What we're seeing today is just the tip of the iceberg.
I'm eager to see how custom GPTs develop
Me too.
and the innovative ways people will use them.
Yeah?
AI Master hints at a future where these specialized AI tools become seamlessly integrated into our lives, making us more efficient, more informed, and more empowered.
And speaking of being informed,
Yes.
we want to remind you to check out Raqmedia.com for more in-depth tech coverage.
We've got articles, reviews, and analysis on everything from the latest AI advancements to emerging tech trends.
We're committed to helping you navigate the exciting world of technology and stay ahead of the curve.
Absolutely.
Now let's get back to those ChatGPT power user tips. Did you know that one of the biggest concerns when using ChatGPT is the potential for bias?
That's right. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's trained on a massive data set of text and code.
Okay.
This data set can reflect the biases that exist in the real world.
Right.
And those biases can sometimes seep into ChatGPT's responses.
So how can we as users be more aware of and mitigate these potential biases?
One crucial step is to critically evaluate the information ChatGPT provides.
Okay.
Don't just accept its output at face value.
Right.
Cross-check information, consider different perspectives, and remember that ChatGPT is a tool to assist, not replace human judgment.
It's also important to diversify our sources of information.
Yes.
If we're only relying on ChatGPT for insights, we're limiting ourselves to a single perspective. We should consult multiple sources, engage with diverse voices, and be open to challenging our own assumptions.
Another key strategy is to be specific and intentional in our prompting.
Okay.
The way we phrase our questions and instructions can influence the kind of responses we get from ChatGPT.
Right.
By being mindful of our language and avoiding generalizations, we can minimize the risk of reinforcing biases.
AI Master also suggests experimenting with different personas or roles when prompting ChatGPT. For instance, instead of simply asking what are the pros and cons of this policy,
Right.
we could try prompting, how would a historian view the potential impact of this policy?
Yes.
Or what are the ethical considerations a philosopher might raise about this policy?
That's a great technique. By approaching a topic from various perspectives, we can get a more nuanced and well-rounded understanding.
Right.
It also helps us challenge our own preconceptions and uncover potential biases we might not have been aware of.
It's all about using ChatGPT as a tool for exploration and critical thinking,
Absolutely.
rather than simply accepting its responses as absolute truth.
The key is to engage actively with the AI, ask probing questions, and be willing to challenge both ChatGPT's output and our own assumptions.
This conversation has been incredibly enlightening.
It
I'm
has.
starting to see ChatGPT in a whole new light,
Yes.
not just as a tool for generating text or code,
Right.
but as a partner in exploration, learning, and critical thinking.
That's the beauty of this technology. It has the potential to expand our horizons, deepen our understanding, and help us navigate the complexities of the world around us.
It's amazing to think how far AI has come and
Why not?
how quickly it's evolving.
Yeah,
We're truly living in a remarkable time.
we are.
And speaking of remarkable tools,
Yes.
AI Master shared a tip that completely changed the way I think about learning.
Oh, really?
He suggests using ChatGPT
Okay.
to learn.
Oh, wow.
You can upload documents, lecture notes, even study guides,
Okay.
and have ChatGPT quiz you on the material.
It's a brilliant way to leverage ChatGPT's ability to process and analyze information.
Right.
Instead of passively rereading notes or highlighting textbook passages, you're actively engaging with the material and
Yeah.
testing your understanding.
I wish I had this back in my student days. Imagine being able to feed ChatGPT all those dense history chapters or complicated scientific theories,
Right.
and have it create personalized study sessions tailored to my specific needs.
It's like having a 24/7 tutor who can adapt to your learning style and pinpoint areas where you might need extra practice.
Wow.
And it's not limited to academic subjects.
Right.
You could use ChatGPT to learn a new language, delve into a complex topic that's always fascinated you, or even brush up on practical skills like coding or cooking.
The possibilities are endless. AI Master even suggests using ChatGPT for life planning,
Oh, wow.
which initially sounded a bit far-fetched to me.
Yeah.
But the more I think about it, the more sense it makes.
It's about leveraging ChatGPT's organizational and analytical capabilities to help us structure our thoughts, prioritize tasks, and make more informed decisions.
So it's like having an AI-powered personal assistant
Yeah.
to help us manage our lives, prioritize our time,
Right.
and maybe even uncover hidden opportunities or paths we hadn't considered before.
Exactly. It's about using AI not just to automate tasks, but to enhance our own decision-making processes.
Right.
And empower us to live more fulfilling and purposeful lives.
All these tips and insights from AI Master have truly been eye-opening.
Yeah, they have.
I'm starting to see ChatGPT in a whole new light, not just as a tool for writing or research,
Right.
but as a partner in learning, problem solving, and personal growth.
It's an exciting time to be exploring the potential of AI.
It is.
I believe we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
Yeah.
As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and transformative applications to emerge.
It's an adventure I'm eager to be a part of.
Me too.
And speaking of adventure, we want to remind you to visit Raqmedia.com for more in-depth tech coverage.
We've got articles, reviews, and analysis on everything from artificial intelligence and virtual reality to cybersecurity and the latest gadgets.
We're committed to keeping you informed and inspired as we navigate this exciting world of technology together.
Absolutely.
All right.
That brings us to the end of our deep dive into ChatGPT power user secrets.
It does.
We hope you found this exploration insightful and are eager to start implementing some of these tips in your own ChatGPT adventures.
A big thank you to our scriptwriter Izzadine Yahawi for curating this fascinating episode.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you for joining us on Raqmedia TechCast, your one daily stop for the latest tech news and trends.
Don't forget to subscribe on Spotify for your daily dose of tech insights.
Let's see you back here tomorrow for another exciting exploration of the tech world.